Well guys, today we're taking off the plastics. I already took out most of the bolts. I just got one more screw here. I gotta cut a zip tie for just for the back main stuff. Alright guys, here's a look at the new plastics. It's like a sleek carbon fiber look. It looks really cool. It looks like it's gonna bolt right up by the looks of it. Alright, so guys, these here plastics, there's a little slit in the bottom here. The plastics just slide in and then you pull them back, if you can see that. So just like I showed before, it's fairly simple to get these ones in. What you're gonna do is put the plastics up and through here, slip these into the grooves. Well guys, I had to put 2 of my own screws into the plastics in the front. I'll show you guys in the camera in a second. But that was the only 2 screws I've had to put in so far. Because they were missing, because this obviously didn't have side shrouds when I bought it. But here, I'll give you a little closer look. These 2 screws right here, I just put 2 like lag screws and some lock washers to hold them down. It's the smallest washer I could find. Everything else bolts in smooth. So. Alright guys, we're going to be taking off the last parts of the plastics, which is the front number plate and the front fender. Alright guys, the plastics are almost all the way on. We just have to finish tightening the bolts down here and up on top. here's the finished product. I don't know if the camera will do any justice, but they have like a cool carbon fiber look to them. They look sweet, turned out really good, really very good fitting. Everything fit perfect. I had to put a little hose clamp on the pipe there, well, on the plastic, so like the plastics would not rub on the pipe. But I see that Sparky's SSR has the plastics rubbing on the pipe, so I think it should be fine. I had to put 2 bolts in right here. Other than that, they hold good. Modified up here, I had to drill my own hole, but everything else mounted good.